In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the weather temperature on your iPhone. Sometimes, the default temperature unit might not be what you're used to. Luckily, you can easily change it to either Celsius or Fahrenheit. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again and tap Language and Region. And then tap Temperature. Now you can select either Celsius or Fahrenheit as the temperature unit on your iPhone. Tap on it to select it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.